Man, oh man, I feel like a couch potato today. All I want to do is Netflix and chill. But, gotta keep moving and grooving. So, you want to speak English a little more fluently. One great way of doing this is by adding expressions or phrases. By using this, you'll definitely give a little bit more personality and flair in your conversation. Everyone has their own way of speaking and you'll find yours, I'm sure of it. My name's Joe and this is Hula. I've got some awesome stuff for you today. We're going to talk about food. Well, actually, we're going to use expressions that have food, which has nothing to do with food. It's pretty weird, right? Well, it's more common than you think it is, and every culture's created their own expressions related to food. Today, I'll show you 10 food expressions to make your vocabulary just a little bit more interesting. We need spice. Keep us interested. Cool, let's jump into the first one. Number 1, easy as pie or a piece of cake. Pie, cake, both are delicious, but what on earth does it mean? Well, when we say as easy as pie or a piece of cake, really what we're saying is that something is very easy. For example, we could say taking a picture is a piece of cake, or I think riding a bicycle is as easy as pie. Got it? A piece of cake. Number 2, go bananas, go nuts. Do you have a brother or sister that annoys you? I do. I love them, but they sometimes make me crazy. So when we say go bananas or go nuts, it means that we are going crazy. What makes you crazy or frustrated? For example, not taking a rest will make you go nuts. Or kids go bananas when they see an ice cream truck. Number 3, couch potato. I love this one. When you want to be lazy, you can be a couch potato. You can watch TV or play video games all day. I love being a couch potato on Sundays. I always have something on, but Sunday is my rest day. Number 4, cool as a cucumber. So when we use this expression, we are saying that someone is calm or cool in a situation. So for example, my friend was cool as a cucumber when he swam with sharks. Number 5, bread and butter. Now, bread and butter go so well together. When we use this expression, we are saying that we have a skill or a job that makes money for us. So for example, teaching English is my bread and butter. Michael Jordan's jump shot is his bread and butter. Number 6, cream of the crop. If you want to be the best, you gotta be the cream of the crop. Let's say Lionel Messi is the cream of the crop. He's the world's best soccer player. You can use it for anything, places, things, people. If you want to say something is the best out of the bunch, use cream of the crop. Number 7, be in a pickle. Have you ever been in a pickle? No, not in a pickle jar. That would be a little strange. I mean, do you ever get in trouble? I know I do. So when you're in trouble, you are in a pickle. For example, my car broke down yesterday. I was in a pickle. Number 8, walk on eggshells. Now imagine walking on eggshells. How would you walk? Would you walk normally or more carefully? Well, walking on eggshells means that you want to be careful with your words or your actions around the person. Now that person might be a little bit upset or in the mood, so you don't want to cause any problems with them. For example, I broke my mom's phone by accident. She got mad. Today, I'm walking on eggshells. I don't want her to get mad at me again. Number 9. That's the way the cookie crumbles. This is a great expression and we use this all the time. So what does it mean? Well, it means that's life. That's the way it's supposed to go. Here are a couple examples. Sometimes we're happy, sometimes we're sad. That's the way the cookie crumbles. I need a new job. Oh well, that's the way the cookie crumbles. Number 10. Butter somebody up. Now butter is amazing. We put it on bread, pastries or steak. So tasty, so delicious. Butter makes everything better. What about when we butter somebody up? Does this mean that they are delicious? Definitely not. Have you ever tried to be extra nice or do extra things for someone because you wanted something in return? This is when you butter somebody up. Now, for example, when I was a teenager, I wanted a car. I did the chores and helped around the house. I was definitely buttering my dad up. You got it. 10 food expressions that you can easily add to your vocabulary. Be more natural and start using this in your expressions. Leave a comment down below using any of these 10 food expressions, and I can't wait to see what you come up with. So get out there and start using it. Please, if you can, like this video and share it with your friends. Subscribe to this channel and follow me on Instagram. Once again, my name's Joe, your English expert, and this is Hula. Be easy.